Hi all and welcome to Cloudflare. This is Emmanuel and today we are going to talk about WordPress website speed optimization. You can optimize your website in 5 to 10 minutes with no technical skills. But before that, you need to understand a few terms related to the speed of the website. Let's talk about load time. Load time is the average time it takes the website to display on your device. You must also know what is bounce rate. Bounce rate is the number of visitors visiting your site and then leaves without doing anything. You have to understand that the longer it takes your website to load, the more visitors you lose. So it is important that your website loads faster. And that is why you need website speed optimization. We have a website called Client Depot, and I'm going to show you how I am going to improve the site speed. The website is very nice and professional, as you can see it here. So let's begin to test the speed of this site. To test the speed of the website, we use a website called gtmetrics.com. What this website actually does is, once you enter your website's URL, it gives performance scores and page loading times of the website. I'm entering my site's URL here and there we go. As you can see, my website is doing pretty well, but in your case, it might be different. If you ask me, the grades anywhere between A and B is good because you don't want your website's grade to be 100% A and 100% B, as your website would look blurry while you scroll, and even though your website loads faster, it doesn't give a better experience for the user. Let me show you the load times and grades of few popular websites like Facebook. Here we go. And there it is. These social media sites tend to have very good website speed optimization. Now let's look at Instagram. See? Very good. Having said that, let's hop into how to optimize the speed of your site. There are 3 important things you must do in order to achieve this. You have to optimize images, you have to optimize your PHP, and you have to optimize your WordPress. Most WordPress websites use PHP 5 and you must upgrade it to PHP 7, and this will make the website load faster. You must use cache in your website because if you don't, then the WordPress must generate your website every time there is a request from the user. But if you use cache in your website, it saves a copy of your web page, and whenever he or she wants to visit your site again, the saved copy loads quickly and thereby saving time. Image optimization reduces the size of the images that you have in your website without losing quality, which will help your website load faster. So I will tell you how it is done step by step in WordPress. We are at the dashboard of our WordPress site now. I click on plugins and I get to see the plugins I have installed so far. And here I click on add new. The first plugin we need is a plugin to back up our website. So I search backup, and in this list of plugins, I'm going to install Updraft Plus to back up my site because it is free and is very efficient. So I'm going to click on install now. And I'm going to activate it after I install the plugin. In Updraft Plus, I click on backup now. The reason why we back up our site is because there is probability that you ruin your site by optimizing your site. In that scenario, you must be able to restore your site. I am backing up my site right now and I think it's done. Now I'm back at the dashboard and I'm gonna check the PHP version of WordPress. I'll show you how to do it. You have to click on Tools, and under Tools you must click on Site Health. Here, if you click on the Info tab, you can see a drop down called Server. You click on it and here you can check the PHP version of WordPress. In my case, I already have a PHP version of 7.4, so we are good here. I'm gonna now install another plugin by clicking on Plugins and then Add New. I'm gonna search for Cache this time, and the plugin we're gonna use today is WP Optimize plugin. WP Optimize plugin is a great plugin to enable cache and also to compress the images of the site without losing their quality. I'm gonna click on Install Now, and once it is done, I click on Activate. And once I activate the plugin, I'm gonna click on Optimize here, which brings me to this page. Here, there are many optimizations listed out for our website. It is not necessary for you to understand the technical details. Just select all optimizations and click on Run All Optimizations. And just in case, we click on Take Backup on Updraft Plus. And it's done now. Let's wait for some time for the optimization to complete. Once it is done, I click on Images tab on the top right corner, and here I can see all of my website's images are listed here. I can select all the images of my website and click on Compress to start compressing them without losing quality. It will take a while, but it is done now. And next, we are going to click on Cache tab on the top right corner, and we are going to make sure that our site has cache enabled. And under Cache Settings, click on these two checkboxes and select 24 hours, and then click on Save Changes. Under the Preload tab, I'm going to click on Activate Schedule the Preloading, and I'm going to save changes. And that's it. Now we are going to check the site again, and the site looks very good. There is no much changes, and the site looks very good, and the loading time has definitely improved. And that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. So until I meet you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel.